Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Duolingo. You click on settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Duolingo app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your